Welcome, students. Dear students, today the topic which I am going to deliver before you is measures of dispersion. Measures of dispersion. Now, what is dispersion? What is dispersion? ये dispersion क्या है? Dispersion is the measure. Dispersion is the measure. Dispersion is the measure of the variation dispersion is the measure of the variation of the items. Dr. Bowley. These are the words of Dr. Bowley. Dispersion is the measure of the variation of the items. It is also the branch of the statistical method. It is also a branch of the statistical method. तो इसको समझने के लिए dispersion is the measure of the variation of the items. Let us take an illustration to understand the point better. For example, there are 5 workers. The wages of 5 workers in 3 factories. The wages of 5 workers in 3 factories. This illustration to understand this point better. For example, the factory A, factory B, factory C. In factory A, the wages of 5 workers, for example, 400, 400, 400, 400, 400, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And second is factory B. Here are, for example, the wages 350, and second 380, and number third 400, and number fifth 420, and 450. Now in factory C, the first worker's wage is rupees 50, and second one is only 75, third one is also here 400, and fifth workers is 725, and last one is 750. Here is 400 in factory C, in factory B is also 400, and factory A is also 400, which is the same. The average value, the average mean, or the arithmetic mean, and the median of these 3 factories are same. The average value, the arithmetic mean, and median is same in 3 factories, which is 400, 400, 400. But in factory A, there is no variation between the average wage and the other wages. There is no variation. all wages are 400, equal to 400. There is no variation between this average wage, between this arithmetic mean, this average wage and the other wages. In factory B, there is some variation. There is small variation. That is why say there is small variation between this average wage and the other wages. There is small variation between this average wage and the other wages. Now it's factory C. Now in factory C, there is large variation. Now in factory C, there is large variation. Here the dispersion is the measure of the variation of the items. Go in factory C, there is a large variation. In factory A, there is no variation. In factory B, there is small variation. But in factory C, there is a large variation. Here, the minimum wage is 50. Here, the minimum is rupees 50, and the maximum is rupees 750. And here the minimum wage is rupees 50, and the maximum wage is rupees 750. It shows that mean and median do not provide. It shows that mean and median do not provide complete information. It shows that mean and median do not provide complete information. In order to get comprehensive picture of the series, we should study measure of dispersion as well. तो ये जो है पूरी कंफर्मेशन हमें प्रोवाइड नहीं करता है, तो इसलिए हमें डिस्पर्शन की जो है स्टडी करने की भी जरूरत पड़ती है यहाँ पर. तो इसीलिए स्टडी जो है डिस्पर्शन की ही यहाँ पर बात हो रही है कि इसकी स्टडी की क्यों जरूरत पड़ी है. जब मीन एंड मीडियन ने कोई काम पूरा नहीं किया तो उस वक्त एक तीसरे रूल की भी जरूरत पड़ती है. तो इस वहाँ से यहाँ पर हमें जब इसमें लार्ज वेरिएशन आई तो इस सूरत में जो है डिस्पर्शन की यहाँ पर जरूरत पड़ी. तो नाउ देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ डिस्पर्शन. There are two types of dispersion. Number one is absolute. There are two types of dispersion. Two types of measure of dispersion. Absolute measure. And number two, relative measure. The absolute measure. What is absolute measure? Absolute measure when dispersion of the series is expressed in terms of the original unit, in terms of the original unit of the series, it is called absolute measure. It is called absolute measure. When dispersion of the series is expressed in terms of the original unit of the series, it is called absolute measure. For example, prices unit is, for example, price is unit is the rupee. For example, the price unit is in rupee. Weight is unit is kilogram. Weight is unit is in kilogram. For example, price is unit is in rupee. Weight is unit is in kilogram. But in this there should be only, but in this dispersion, but in this absolute in a measure, there should be only same units of measurement. There should be only same units units of measurement, not different units of measurement. For example, rupee, kilogram, these are two different units. These are two different units. In this, there should be same units of measurement. There should be same units of measurement. So, for example, average wage of workers. For example, average wage of workers is equal to rupees 100. For example, average wage of workers is rupees 100, and also dispersion of the wage and dispersion of the wage is equal to rupees 10. But this is in same unit, rupees. But this is in same unit. It is in same unit. When it is in same unit, then it is the absolute measure. Now the second one is relative measure. This was first one, and the second one is relative measure. What is relative measure? It is in the form of ratio or in the form of percentage. It is in the form of ratio or percentage, or it is in the form of ratio or percentage. It's also called the coefficient of dispersion. It is also called as coefficient of dispersion. It is also called as coefficient of dispersion. It's also called as coefficient of dispersion. For example, 26% of people, 26% of people in India are BPL. For example, 26% of people in India are BPL, in a below poverty line. Or in other words, we say 70%, or in other words, say 70% people of India are literate. Or in other words, we say 70% of people in India are literate. तो इन दोनों सूरत में ये जो है ये रिलेटिव मेजर को जाहिर करता है. टुडे इट इज इनफ. फी अमान अल्लाह.